Okay, now let's
You
go.
gonna do it closer?
Yes.
Is there
This is
anything
the
you'd like to
finale.
say to the camera before you shoot?
I wanted to do this for a long time, for several years. Finally got the permission. Let's see what we can do. Follow me.
Show us the way.
Come on, Stevan.
Where are we going?
Destroy that printer. And
Oh.
the hardware.
I see you're on a mission.
Yes, sir.
I need to hear a story regarding this printer because I've never seen anybody go through so much shit to destroy a fucking printer you could have just thrown in the ocean.
No, watch. Here goes the hard drive. Here's what's left of the printer. Oh, yes, sir. Okay, right here. Yeah, okay. Oh, yes. Ah.
You know that's never going to work again.
Huh?
The printer.
No, that's still.
You know the printer's never going to work again.
Oh, no, I know a master who can fix this. Ready? Out. Look at that. Is it still recording?
I can't believe what you did to the tarp, dude.
I'm
Look at that. That tarp was perfect when we came here.
Oh, yeah?
And now, thanks to your
Inventions.
and our shooting capacity,
Oh, there's something more. Oh, pink cartridge too.
Oh.
One more round. One more round. One more round.
I've
okay?
never seen someone so excited.
One more round, okay? One more round.
Sounds like we're at the bar.